Hello, this is Ramey Smith with Insight School of Ohio. I am your super user for D2L. I just wanted to show you today how to publish and retrieve something from the LOR. First of all, the LOR stands for Learning Object Repository, not Lord of the Rings, but you may hear me refer to it as Lord of the Rings. So the purpose behind uploading something to the LOR and downloading something from the LOR, there's a few different reasons for it. The first reason would be if you need to copy a quiz that you created or a lesson that you personally created from one classroom to another. So I'm going to demonstrate that specifically. In the middle school math and English, they were to take benchmark assessments. So I had entered in one of the benchmark assessments into the quizzes, and I'm going to copy that into one of the empty sections for the purposes of this video. So I'm going to go to Manage Quizzes in the Tools, and I'm going to find the quiz that I created, which was this Grade 8 Math Interim Benchmark 1. So I'm going to click on the little triangle, and I'm going to click on Publish to LOR. And here it says pick a repository, teacher shared repository. That's the only one that you can choose. So then I'm going to click on the sharing options, and then notice here it says hide learning object in search results. So if you only want to make these visible for yourself, you would keep that checked. However, if you are sharing a quiz or sharing a lesson with someone, you would uncheck that box. So I'm going to keep it checked for the purposes of this video because I only want to be able to see it because I created it. So then notice here this is checked, learning objects to publish. I want to publish that. So I click next. And then it says to, you want to change the metadata, or, some of it might just be, already fine. So here I'm not going to change the title. Role. I'm not going to change that either. I'm just going to leave all of this alone, and then I'm going to click Publish to LOR. And let's see, what is the error? Oh, the description. This is the first benchmark for grade 8. There. Okay, I should probably put math. Publish to LOR. All right, so now I want to remember, so you got this fun box that's telling you that it's exporting, importing it into the LOR. Can you tell this is the first time I've done this? All right, so this gives you this nice cushy feeling of, hey, it's complete. So I'm going to copy the name, and then I'm going to go into my empty section, one of the empty sections. Here it is, it's empty. So then in the tools, I'm going to go back to Manage Quizzes, and I'm going to go to More Actions, and I'm going to click Add Learning Object. And then notice that this says add object from the LOR to reinforce that. So then I paste what I'm searching for, and then I click search. And then here we are, here it is. I'm going to click on that. And notice here that this shows that it's going to be hidden, so that way as you go to tweak things and add it to your gradebook, etc., it's hidden until you share it. So I'm going to click that and then click select. And then notice it's downloading from the LOR into my course, and this will most likely be at the very bottom. There we are. Okay, so then from there, if you need to change anything about it, such as what category it's in. So the students took this particular benchmark in Unit 2. So, so that would be why that's in that category. And then you also want to make sure that it's in the grade book. So notice that's here, graded item. You want to make sure that that's in add graded item, name, change it, short name, you can say benchmark 1 and unit 2. And then, you know, whatever the point values are, et cetera, and save. And then save and close. And then you can always look in your grade book to make sure that it's there. This should be in Unit 2. Look, there it is. Ta-da! If you have any questions about using the LOR to copy your own content, let me know. And I'm learning about this as well as you are, so I'm willing to work with you and help you out. If you accidentally delete things from the course that were created by K-12, let me know because I have ways of retrieving them for you as opposed to submitting a ticket that for a broken course. So, all right, I hope this helps and have a wonderful day.